Where do we even park, bro? Before we get into today's video, a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Wing Aero. If you want your bike to stand out and look unique, Wing Aero makes lovely winglets for your motorcycle to make it look aggressive and different. So if you want to upgrade your bike or make it look even better, use my code IDLE20 at checkout for 20% off. Now, big thanks to Wing Aero for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into it. Recording, boy. I've got extra filters in my bag as well for when it gets darker, so at Box Hill I'm going to switch the filters over. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to a bike meet. So yeah, this shit gonna be fun. I've got the Duke with me again. It is absolutely scalding today. I don't know why, but the UK is broken at the moment, I can't lie. Like, last week we had a bit of rain, a bit of cold, and now it's 35 degrees again, which probably feels like 47 in America because of the humidity and that. Yeah, it's absolutely scalding right now. And like, the heat is so diabolical at the moment, it's ridiculous. Woo! Went a bit wide there. Nah, I ain't overtaken with that there. I ain't overtaken with that road like that. Yeah, we were gonna have the R125 join us today, but he's doing something, so unfortunately he couldn't come. Damn, gear 2 on this bike is nuts. Can't lie, I also cleaned my visor before this trip, and it's left slight smudge marks everywhere, so the sun is just glaring like nuts. I've also got a huge scratch line in the middle of my visor as well from a rock. Oh mate, this guy's getting on my nerves now. Oh, of course he's going the same way as us, bro. The little gay boy. And we're stuck behind a bike. For God's sake. Not for long apparently. What a spanner. Didn't even check to see if the corner was clear. Admitted we were going slightly fast, but still, come on lad. That car was pulling out there. Whoa! Nice. Combining. Woo! Ah. Yeah, your brake lights are constantly on, mate.
No way.
Yeah, get off the bike, get off the bike. Your brake light's constantly on.
Oh.
How the fuck you managed that? Yo guys, okay, so we're back. His brake switch is a bit meh at the moment, it's a bit iffy, so I reckon these guys on this bike in front of us are going to bike night as well. Just a random shot. Is it rude to overtake a bigger bike? I might go for it, I don't know. Why is there so much traffic? What the hell? Worst has been the least thrilling ride ever. Worst has been the least thrilling ride ever. Oh my, holy MT-07s. Jesus. And 125. Damn. Damn, getting the angles in. Woohoo! Damn, boys. There's no physical way any more bikes can fit. It's bloody nuts. It's got bikes everywhere. The Rosas have shown up. Yeah, a bit sketchy. Can't lie. We're getting out of here before it gets too hot, but yeah. God damn. There's a lot of bikes. Ay, ay, ay. That guy just unflipped his plate. Oh, that guy just had to unflip his plate because of the feds. Still there, yeah? Oh, I gotta pop the wheelies, innit? Oh, I gotta love popping the wheelies. Whoa. Are they here? I don't know. They might be. I ain't trying to take the risk though. Yeah. We're good. Jesus Christ, this place is absolutely riddled with police.